Hi there. In this demo of pgEdge Cloud Developer Edition, I'll show you how to create a globally distributed Postgres database in less than 90 seconds. pgEdge is 100% pure Postgres, and our Postgres extension called Spock is available on GitHub. In this video, we'll create a database with the Northwind Traders dataset, and I'll show you how it can be queried with low latency from anywhere in the world. When you come to the pgEdge app, you can choose to log in with GitHub or Google Social Login. Having done that, you'll see our database's dashboard. Here it prompts us to create our first database. We'll go with the default database name, and then we just have one choice to make, which is where to place our database nodes. US and Europe, US only, or global. We'll go with US and Europe for now. If you take a look at the map, you can see where exactly the database nodes will be located. One in Oregon, one in Northern Virginia, and one in Frankfurt, Germany. That looks fine. We will opt in to installing the Northwind Traders dataset and click Create Database. All right, pgEdge is now spinning up a Postgres database at each of those three locations. It sets up private networking and logical replication between the locations. Unique domain names are assigned to the database cluster and to each node, so you can easily connect to either the closest node to your client or application or to a specific node of your choice. A quick explanation of node names. We refer to the three nodes in the cluster by the names N1, N2, and N3. So now when we see the dashboard, you'll see information about each of those nodes. Here we go. The database is ready for us. By default, our dataset is loaded onto the N1 database node. And when we click Start Replication, that will copy the table schemas and their data to N2 and N3 as well. In a few seconds, we'll see that all 14 tables in the dataset have been replicated. From this point on, a change on any one of the nodes will be automatically replicated to all the others. What we'll do now is connect two pSQL clients to N1 and then N2, and we'll test out replication in the cluster. So we'll go to N1, copy our pSQL command and connect. Go to N2, copy the pSQL command there and connect. You can see that there are two different host names. One is IAD, which indicates Northern Virginia. One is PDT, which represents Oregon. There is a categories table we're going to work with, so we're going to take a look at what's in that table now. All right, we've got eight rows in the table. If we take a look at that same table on N2, you can see that the same exact rows are present. Now I'm going to grab an insert command. We're going to insert a new category, vegetables, with record ID 9. Insert that, confirm it's present on this node. You can see it here. And then on the other node, you can see it's present there too, indicating that the change has been replicated across the cluster. If we go back to the database dashboard, you can also see in the metrics output that the node N1, which is the one where we wrote the update, it has replication output to the other nodes in the cluster. All right, thanks for taking a look at pgEdge Cloud Developer Edition.